Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. In this video, I am going to share a very beautiful, creative and amazing designs of hand embroidery patterns. All of these are borderline embroidery. Borderline embroidery could be used for a wide variety of numbers and a number of reasons. Because of this, you can create a number of stylized patterns of your dresses, DIY decor items, and many more creativities. But before going into the further details and depth of the video, the type of embroidery stitches and the type of embroidery materials that is required for making the whole embroidery pattern, I would request you to do subscribe my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, then I would request you to don't forget to subscribe. And while subscribing, press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads on my channel. Now, guys, let's move back towards our main concern. Guys, we never reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose, motive, and idea behind sharing videos and creativities with you is to share content and design ideas which are favorable for hand embroidery beginners, hand embroidery artists, and the ones who are lovers of hand embroidery. With your love and support, we have reached at this level, and with your love and support, we will continue to grow. Now, let's talk about the uses. You can use these very beautiful patterns of borderline embroidery for designing the four sides of your dupatta, scarf, stoller, or any type of shawls. Even the sari palus could also be beautified with the help of these patterns of borderline embroidery. On the corners or borders of girls' strollers could be beautified. The borders of your sleeves, front and back shirt motifs, and in a parallel fashion, you can use it as a neckline, long neckline. And even you can design for DIY decor items like bed sheets, quilt covers, cushion covers, pillow covers, tablecloth, towel, and many more. Thank you so much for watching.